Welcome, family. Today I bring to you my famous Sobolo drink, Hibiscus Fresh. Yes, you asked and I'm giving it to you. Don't go anywhere. Stay right here and let me show you how I make this famous drink. Remember when I used to make this drink at church? I used to sell it at church. Well, I'll show you what I used to make, how I go about it, and how to get the classic taste of Nana's hibiscus juice. Let's get right into the video. So to start off, I'm gonna turn on my heat and boil my water. Here I used a gallon worth of water, and I normally add my sugar whilst I'm boiling it. So I used 1 cup. This is half a cup of sugar, so I used 2 of those, so it's 1 cup. And this is my hibiscus leaf, Sorrell, Jamaican Sorrell, Zobo. There's different names. Washed it, and I'm going to add it to my water and let it boil. So with my classic Sobolo or hibiscus, I only add just a few ingredients. So I will be adding some pineapple. You know pineapples are very rich in vitamin C, so we want that in our juice. I will cut out the skin and I will rinse it out, wash it, and then I'll add it to the hibiscus, the Sobolo drink on the fire. So now with the fruit itself, I'm going to cut it up and I will blend it. I want it as smooth as possible. And this drink is spicy. You know, we have ginger that make it spicy. So depending on how spicy you want it, will depend on how much ginger you would use. I'm going to blend my pineapple and my ginger together, you know, in bits. Then I'll mix it all in. I'm not going to add a lot of water because the pineapple and the ginger already produces water, so I'm not going to add any water to blend with it. So once I'm done boiling, I do not pour it in. I wait for my drink to start boiling. Once it does, then I'll pour the mixture in, and I make sure I rinse out everything in the blender and I pour it back in the drink. Then gently you stir it all in. Once I do that, I turn off the heat because I do not want to overcook my pineapples or my ginger. Once the heat is turned off, I cover my mixture, my drink, and allow it to cool so I can start squeezing out all the pulp from it. So with a white cloth, I am going to squeeze out all the juice and separate the juice from the pulp. So once the separation is done, you should have your juice on one side and your pulp on the other side. You can smell the leaves, you can smell the ginger, you can smell the pineapple. And here's the pulp. You can use it again, you can reuse it, just store it in the fridge or the freezer and ready to go. Here I'm adding 2 tablespoonfuls of vanilla essence, vanilla extract. This is just for extra flavor. You can use whatever or you can choose not to. Our juice is ready and it is ready to be served. Just filling it out in a jar. And here, this is the juice I was serving you all at church. Remember my famous hibiscus juice? This is how I make it. I have no hidden ingredient. It's water, it's pineapple, it's ginger, it's the hibiscus leaves, sugar, and then I add vanilla extract or vanilla essence. So you can choose to use it. I know some people add lemon. I know some people add cloves. I know some people add a lot of stuff to it. Well, it depends on you. This is my simple way of doing my Zobo drink, my hibiscus drink, my Sobolo drink, my Sorrell drink. And it smells amazing. It smells amazing. I hope this recipe was as easy as ABC. I hope you try this and give me feedback. I know you will love it because everybody does enjoy the Sobolo drink. Thank you all for subscribing to All Things Flossy. Until my next video, I hope you love God. I hope you love people. I hope you stay graced up. Thank you all for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.